If your B&B is fully booked but your profits don't match the effort, this video will show you how to fix your pricing and increase revenue fast. You'll learn how to turn busy nights into better income by simple pricing rules and direct booking habits. If you feel like your B&B is always busy but your bank account says otherwise, well, you're not alone. Most owners think they have a booking problem, but it's actually a pricing problem. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Hi, I'm Jerry McPherson, and I've spent over 30 years in hospitality, and I help B&B owners get more bookings, more profit, and a lot less stress. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through why being fully booked can still lose you money, the key signals you're overpricing, and one simple shift to increase your revenue fast. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your busy B&B into a profitable one. So let's talk about full rooms and empty profits. Here's where a lot of people are really stuck. You're fully booked, rooms are filled, guests are happy, but the numbers don't feel right. And honestly, that makes sense. You've been told that success means occupancy. Fill the rooms, stay busy, keep guests happy, so you do exactly that. But no one tells you occupancy without pricing is just hard work. So here is what you should do instead. Start focusing on revenue per room, not just occupancy. It's not about how many nights you sell, it's about what each night is worth. For example, if you charge $100 a night and stay full, that feels good. But if the demand would support $120, you're losing $20 per night, every night. That would be a small change with a big difference. You need better pricing. So what are the signs that you're undercharging? I'm going to make this real here. Most owners don't realize they're underpricing because you're too close to it. You think, I don't want to scare guests away. I'll just keep it safe. So what you do is watch for these signals. You're fully booked weeks in advance. Guests book quickly without question. Weekends sell out first every time. For example, if your Saturdays are always gone early, that's not luck. That's demand telling you to raise your price. Now here's something that surprises many B&B owners. Guests rarely complain about higher prices. They complain about poor value. And this is where it gets interesting. Your guests are already telling you what they'll pay. You just haven't been listening. You got to stop renting your business to OTAs. Here's another trap. Too many bookings coming from OTAs. Look, they're useful. They bring visibility. They bring guests, but they also take a cut and control your pricing. So what should you do instead? Start building direct bookings. Not all at once, just a small shift. For example, start with a perk. Book direct and get a later checkout. That's it. No discount needed. It's simple, but it works. You're not just filling rooms, you're building a business. Here's a 10% pricing shift that changes everything. Most owners change prices too slowly. $2 here, $5 there. It doesn't move the needle because it feels safer, less risk, less fear. So how can you fix it? Here's what you should do instead. Raise your prices by 10 to 15% on key dates. Start with weekends. For example, if your room is $100, test $110 or $115 and watch what happens. It's a small risk, but could be a big upside. And here's the truth. If no one complains, you're still too cheap. What's the biggest challenge with pricing your rooms? I'm very curious. Let me know in the comments. I do read every one. Here are your key takeaways. Busy doesn't equal profit. Pricing matters more than occupancy. Fast bookings signal higher demand. Direct bookings increase margins. Small pricing changes create big gains. Now, if you want help putting this into action, check out the B&B Revenue Management Toolkit. You can find it at bedsbreakfastbusiness.com. It gives you simple pricing rules, templates, and tools you can use straight away. You can also find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to go deeper, I break this down step by step inside the full course, Build Your B&B from Dreams to Doors Open. You can also find that link in the show notes. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell if it's appropriate. And if it really helped, hey, feel free to buy us a coffee. Helps get my morning going. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to stop being on call 24/7 without losing the personal touch. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the right next step. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.